Hello children, welcome back to my channel. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Today we are going to discuss about Maths fractions class. In my previous class, I have explained about what is the definition of fraction, the types of fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction, and convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fraction. These four topics I have covered in my previous class. If anyone want to see the class, please see in the description box. I have provided the link in the description box. Now I am going to explain about fractional numbers on the number line. We can show the fractional numbers on the number line. First we need to draw the number line. Here I have drawn the number line. I have marked 0, 1, 2, 3. In between 0 and 1, 0.25, 0.5, 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. 0.75 and 1 after 1.25, 1.5 is nothing, 1.5, 1.675, 2 and 2.25, 2.50, 2.75 and 3. Hope it's clear. I have drawn the number line and I have marked the values here. Now I will tell you this concept by using the examples. I have taken 1 by 2 here. This is the fraction. Okay. 2, I am dividing 1 by 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1 will come down. After that 0 point means 0 we can add, 2 5s are 10, so answer will be 0. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. Okay, now we will mark 1 by 2 on the number line. Okay, 0.5. 0.5 means it will come in between 0 and 1, exactly middle it will be. Okay, so here I marked 1 by 2. Okay children, 1 by 2 which is equal to 0.5. 0.5 means it will come in between 0 and 1, exactly in middle it will come. That's why I marked here 1 by 2. Similarly, I will explain some other 2 examples also. I will explain here number line concept. Similarly, 6 by 4 and 1 by 4, 6 by 4 and 11 by 4 also can be shown on the number line. Okay, 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means 4 ones are 4. Down 2 will come. I have kept the point here 0. 4 5s are 20. 0. So 6 by 4 value will be 1.5. Okay. And 11 by 4. 11 by 4 value will be 2.75. Now we will mark 1.5 on the number line. Okay. 1.5 means in between 1 and 2. So I marked in between 1 and 2, exactly in middle I have marked 6 by 4. Okay children. This one 11 by 4. 11 by 4 is 2.75. 4 2s are 8. 3. I have kept the point here and I have written 0. 4 7s are 28. 2 balance. Dot is there, that's why I kept again one more 0 here. 4 5s are 20. So 0. So 11 by 4 answer will be 2.75. So now we are marking the 2.75 on the number line. 2.75 means it will be in between 2 and 3, but it will be near to 3. Okay, 2 to 3, middle point will be 2.5. After 2.5, 2.75 will be there. That's why I mark 2.75 here. Okay, so this is the concept of fractional numbers on the number line. We can mark any number in between fraction in between on the number line. Okay children, now I am going to explain the equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction. The definition of a equivalent fraction is, we can say that the equivalent fractions arise when we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay, here this is the example for equivalent fractions: 1 by 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 12 and 4 by 16. Okay, here I am multiplying 1 by 2, 1 with 2 and 4 with 2. With the same number I am multiplying. When we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number, then we will get the equivalent fractions. Okay, this is 2 by 8. 1 by 4, I am multiplying numerator with 3 and denominator with 3 here. So 3 by 12. I am multiplying numerator with 4 and denominator with 4. So 4 by 16. Here I am multiplying with numerator with 5 and denominator with 5. 5 by 20. So these are the equivalent fractions. Okay, here I have written this: 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 12, 4 by 16, 5 by 20. These are the equivalent fractions. Okay, we can say that the equivalent fractions arise when we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator with 2 here. So 2 by 8. Here 3 by 12, 4 by 16, 5 by 20. So these are the equivalent fractions. Now I will explain about the picture representation, and one more example also I will tell you. Here I have drawn one square. Okay, here one square, the 4 squares I have drawn. Okay, this is 1 by 4, means 4 parts. In that shaded part is 1. So 1 by 4. Okay, these are 8 parts, 8 small parts, and the shaded parts are 2. So 2 by 8. And this is 12 parts. Total 12 parts are there, and shaded parts will be 3. So 3 by 12 I have written. Here 4 shaded parts say that 4 shaded parts are there, and the total number of parts are 16. So 4 by 16. If you observe cleanly, if you observe this, so every table 1/4 only we have shaded. Here 1/4, here 1/4, here 1/4, here 1/4. But the fraction values are different here. So this is the example for the equivalent fractions. Here 1 by 4 which is equal to 2 by 8 which is equal to 3 by 12 and 4 by 16. Okay, hope it's clear to you. I will tell you one more example also. Here 1 by 3 I have written. So for 1 by 3 I am multiplying both numerator and denominator with 2. So answer will be 2 by 6. Okay, if I will multiply 1 by 3 both denominator and numerator with 3, then answer will be 3 by 9. Okay, 1 by 3 here. If I multiply both numerator and denominator with 4, then 4 by 12. So these are the equivalent functions here, equivalent fractions here: 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9 and 4 by 12. Hope it's clear to you. In this class I have explained about equivalent fractions and the fractional numbers on the number line. Both the concepts I have explained. Hope it's clear to you. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.